I just started this freelancing skill.
Okay.
It's community management.
Okay.
On school. Is that school?
No.
School.com.
No.
If you search on school.com, but
Okay.
you know today for Nigeria.
Okay.
But whenever clients give you work like that, maybe say whenever clients give you work like that, now people they always come to help them complete their projects.
Okay.
You understand? So people where they always give me job now, people where they say they get community, they are experts in a skill, they are experts in a particular something that they are doing.
Okay.
So they come tell me say they need to reach more people, they need to set up a school community
Okay.
and all. Now the problem with they say after MS, set up this community and all.
Yeah.
The guys go to social media.
Okay.
The guys go to email marketing. The guys use email marketing to bring members
Okay.
to the community.
Okay.
Yeah. So now my own problem one day like this.
So
now how to bring people and now from social media to the community.
okay.
Because now it's in and the focus of the work with that.
Okay. So the community, is it WhatsApp? Is it Telegram? Where is the community? Where are you hosting the community?
It's on school. It's on school.com. You can search
Oh,
it.
okay. Okay. Okay.
It's on school.com.
Okay, the audience you want, are they also in the location? For example, I know from what you're saying now, this is not in Africa, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the audience you are looking for, are they like South America, North America? Where are you getting? Where do you want to get your audience from?
It depends on the client actually. The last person I worked for
Okay.
is from United States,
Okay.
right? And his niche is health and awareness.
Okay.
So definitely people that are supposed to be on his community is a paid one actually.
Okay.
So definitely people that are supposed to be on his community are people that probably struggling with their health and awareness, probably people that want to improve their health and awareness.
And they have to be in the US.
Yeah.
They have to be in the US.
It's not necessary, they don't necessarily have to be US as
Okay.
long as the platform itself is available in their country.
Okay.
That they are eligible to join.
Okay, you know why I'm asking is that your point is already clear to me. What the challenge is clear to me. So I'm already brainstorming how to give you the answer. The answer is simple. The answer is just you have to be good with social media marketing, right? So you know, like for me, if you give me that job now that I should bring people for you, it will not be hard because I know how to bring people. But I want to know what kind of people we should bring for you, where we should target the people from. Now, take note, look at something now. If the school you are talking about is not available in Nigeria, so we can't bring people from Nigeria because now you want everybody to be using VPN. Not everybody is that techie. Do you understand? So it means that we have to target people that will open this website without stress. People that are already used to the website, people that they may not be used to it, but it's not going to be rocket science for them. So in that case, you will need to know how to run adverts. Whether it's TikTok advert, whether it's Instagram advert, whether it's Facebook advert, you definitely need to run adverts. Do you understand? So that's just you know what I would advise. Go and learn how to run adverts. Go and learn how to run adverts. That's what I would advise. Thank you. All right, that was a nice one. Wow, that was good. Okay, let's get the next person. Thank you for coming up, bro. That was nice. I like it. Thank you so much. Woo! Looks like today is going to be amazing.